Alright guys, today I'll be reviewing this gaming chair by Alpha Home. It comes in 3 different colors. There's gray, there's red, and blue. That comes with an instruction manual. And I'm going to go through all of the parts that are in the box here. Just going to get them all out, get them out of their boxes, kind of show you a little bit. Armrest. It comes with all different features. One of the cool things about this, swivels 360 degrees. The wheels that it comes with won't scratch your floor. They're pretty quiet as they're moving across the floor. It really is just an extremely comfortable chair. The back part of it can adjust up and down, almost completely flat and all the way up. It has a footrest. Like I said, it's very adjustable. It also comes with like this little pillow kind of vibration, and you can control and adjust the vibrations on that. The armrests are adjustable as well. Extremely easy to put together. It's a great gaming chair, also a great chair for those that might want to just sit down, relax, watch a movie. If you're wanting to maybe read a book, get some desk work done, if that's the kind of job that you have, you may want to even consider getting one of these. These are extremely comfortable. Easy to put together. Very, very easy to put together. It rolls very easily on the floors. You're not going to get caught up on anything. It's very, very adjustable, as you can see with that part there. It shows how far it can bend. Comes with the tools that you need. It's basically pre-installed. All you're going to do is take the screws out that are already in it and then assemble it together and put the screws back in the spots that are already designated for it. Very, very easy. I love the chair. I was super excited to get it, and now I get to do a review on it, which is amazing because I can talk about this all day. This chair is just, it's awesome. I highly suggest it to anybody that might spend quite a few hours maybe gaming. It's extremely comfortable, adjustable. It suits all different sizes, no matter how tall or small you are. The seat cushion on it, it's 21 inches wide, almost 2 feet wide. I mean, it can suit just about anybody. As you can see, I'm putting the armrests on there. Make sure that you're following the instruction manual. It's extremely easy. It comes with all the tools and parts that you need. Again, guys, this is the review for the racing/gaming chair. Very, very comfortable chair. I highly suggest it to anybody that may be in the market looking for one. Now we're getting ready to attach, so you guys continue watching the video into the bottom portion. Now we're going to get ready to attach the footrest, gas loaded, very simple, where you put enough pressure on there. Just align it, put enough pressure like that, so that way you can see that it spins and rotates. Down on it a little bit, give it a firm push, make sure that it's in there. Very, very easy assembly. All you do is just take the screws out, align it, gotta push it a little bit harder, right back in. Super easy. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and align the back part of the chair, where your back will be, with the seat. And again, just unscrew them, align it, and screw them back in. This took no time at all. Like I mentioned earlier, we're going to put the armrests on. Very easy design. Pretty cool looking, actually. There's the screw that you'll need and the tool that you'll need to connect those together. Screw that in. You're going to want to make sure that there's like a button on the outside of that long bar You're going to want to make sure that that's on the outside of the chair. It mentions it in the manual, so you'll be just fine. And here's the other one. We're going to make sure that we attach it the same way. Show you how it slides in and the screws that you would need